The Spirit is Too Blunt an Instrument by Stevenson. It's a poem about a baby, about a newborn. The Spirit is too blunt an instrument to have made this baby. Nothing so unskillful as human passions could have managed the intricate exacting particulars, the tiny blind bones with their manipulating tendons, the knee and the knuckle bones, the resilient fine meshings of ganglia and vertebrae in the chain of the difficult spine. Observe the distinct eyelashes and sharp crescent fingernails, the shell-like complexity of the ear, with its firm involutions concentric in miniature to the minute ossicles. Imagine the infinitesimal capillaries, the flawless connections of the lungs, the invisible neural filaments through which the completed body always answers to the brain. Then name any passion or sentiment possessed of the simplest accuracy. No desire or affection could have done with practice what habit has done perfectly, indifferently, through the body's ignorant precision. It is left to the vagaries of the mind to invent love and despair and anxiety and their pain.